Okay, come on, pop out.
This is the first time I'm going to see the little baby, my little grandson. For the first time ever. Okay, I'm going to walk up the stairs. I'm so excited. Alright, here we go. Caleb, congratulations.
Lily!
Where's the baby?
In the room.
Enough
with you. Enough with you. How are you, babe? How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Yeah.
Here's the baby.
Let's turn back here.
Come on. Come on.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
How are you?
Good.
The baby. Oh my God, he's so beautiful. He's just sleeping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a handsome little boy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Oh, Jupiter. Jupiter thinks he's a baby too. Look, all your grandmas are here.
He's so sleepy.
What a cutie pie. He's so sleepy. Look at the baby.
All downhill from there.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's yawning, Gwen. So cute. Do you want to show him his little body?
What?
We'll show his little toes.
You wanna see his toes?
Yeah. Can you turn that lower a sec? Sorry, sweetie. There's his little toes. Little hands. How old is he right now?
One more, just one more.
Oh, okay. 2 days old, right?
I guess 2 days.
2 days.
Big though.
He's very big. He's 7 pounds, 8 ounces. Look at that. So cute.
Dear Grandma.
Beautiful.
This is a good movie, though.
This is our baby at 5 days old. See how small he is with the little hands.
Look at that darn TV.
And look at those little feet.
Mom, did you bring all these?
All what? Look at him.
7 pounds,
Here you go, Jake.
7 pounds, 8 ounces.
Mark.
You were on the hunt, Mom?
Yes. Hi. He's 5 days old. 7 pounds, 8 ounces.
He has a big head. Are you recording?
Yeah. How old is he?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
That face. It's a Zoolander face. Hi, turkey. He has a goopy eye. Okay, I'm gonna change him. Here. That was was it?
Is that the cry?
Baby. Look, now he's just... Oh. Oh.
Yeah, he's adorable, Quinn. Smiling.
Who is that?
Oh.
What is your grandma doing? Mom's on top of the table taking a picture of us.
Is he smiling?
That's actually a poop.
Oh no, okay. I'm sorry.
Did you tickle him too much?
I'm just messing with him too much. Hi, Turkey. Messing with you too
No
much.
dimples.
No dimples.
No dimples. Oh, it's okay, it's me. The dog's looking around to see who I'm saying you to.
Is she your great grandma?
Yeah, you're gonna come visit? As soon as you're not squishy? As soon as you're not squishy, you're gonna come visit?
He has like, he varies between the like a drunken eye and an oh shit eye, you know, like and then
No,
He does with his hands. He makes his hands move all the time. His fingers are going.